Hi, my name is Jodi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Throughout my journey, I've met some pretty interesting people, done crazy things, had heartbreaks, met the love of my life, laughed until I cried, traveled to over 64 countries, learned some pretty hard lessons. I've loved hard, lost, won, and then some. I'm a daughter, mother, wife, sister, best friend, costume designer, preschool teacher, senior food awards judge, Observer Style Woman of the Year awardee, secretary, television host, socialite, makeup artist, sales rep, model, and now YouTuber. Join me as I talk about everything from motherhood to makeup, style, lifestyle, and just about everything in between. Come along with me as I show you a glimpse into my crazy, hectic life. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jodi.
Live!
And you've been at home for...
Get to talk.
Kadabra. Kadabra. Alright. You okay? Oh, but you mess up your hairstyle. Alright. So leave these over here and let's tell everybody what we're doing. Say hello.
Hello.
Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jodi. Now today we have a takeover. Levi is going to be doing something special. Levi, you want to...
Live!
We're going to be making slime. Now, sometimes some of the recipes that you see, the slime has glue or borax or something like that, and
And here comes Remi! But he always does it.
okay. So instead of using slime or borax, careful, Levi, stand up nicely. Thank you. We're going to use cornstarch and dish soap. So the first thing Levi is going to add, he's going to put the cornstarch in the bowl. And this is part of our quarantine activities. Yeah, but don't make it splash up everywhere. Right? You want to tell everybody what you're doing?
Everybody, look what I'm doing. I'm mixing it up and make a what's in it.
Okay, the next thing we're going to add is dish soap. Get ready to mix, Levi. Get ready to... Oh, you're pouring. Oh, I can see the slime coming together. Do you see it? Oh, all right. Mix now. Mix. Ooh.
I see the inside.
Wow, what's happening? Very nice. It's been so hard with this whole quarantine to try and come up with really cool activities. But I've been going on Pinterest and I've been trying to get Levi involved and doing as much as possible. Keep mixing until you get that slime consistency.
Where's the flour?
What flour? That was cornstarch.
No, I mix cookies. I said, where's the flowers?
Where's the flour? Yeah, when you were cooking? Okay, mixing nicely. The recipe say water?
You have to talk.
Oh, okay, so he's now mixing the ingredients together, just two ingredients, the cornstarch and the dish soap. And I'm kind of wondering if it needs... No. As he's mixing, it's coming together. And yes, Remi is playing with a plastic knife. Don't judge me. Yep, it's coming together. Oh my goodness. Do you want to make your slime a different color?
Yes, blue.
Okay, well, we have...
Guys, we're gonna make this slime blue and we're gonna make all of it and it's gonna mix the color.
Yeah, okay, so, all right, here's what Mommy's gonna do. We're gonna add some of this color here. This is what I had in the cupboard. All right, mix. Let's see what color that turns out to be. Like it's not written on the package. What color you see?
I see black.
You see black? Keep mixing. It's really dark.
Yes. And I see green.
Yeah, keep mixing. Remi wants to mix too, but she can just mix from afar. And what else is happening?
It's mixing in orange.
It's mixing orange. Okay. Keep mixing. And you've been at home for...
Let to talk.
Okay, so he's mixing and mixing, and we've been having Corona College in the days where I will get some work from Levi's school and we will do some schoolwork at home. And Levi, except for yesterday, has been pretty good because we do homework every day, right, Levi? So when I told him it was time to do schoolwork, he really didn't mind too much. I should really get Dolly instead of a plastic knife for Remi. All right, she's helping. She's helping. Let her help. Okay, maybe I should.
No, little children doesn't play with slime, you know.
Oh no, little children shouldn't play with slime.
And big children. Big children play with slime.
Big children. So what's happening with the mixing of this now? It looks like it's taking long. Maybe you need some more dish soap. Let me get some more dish soap. Hold on. Keep mixing, keep mixing. It doesn't look slimy yet. Watch your little foot. Keep mixing, keep mixing. Your hand tired yet? No, Remi, no, don't mash it up. All right, this is taking quite some time.
This is plastic.
No, that's glass, a glass bowl and a metal. Watch the food. And a metal spoon.
My foot is too tired.
Your foot is tired? Maybe. Hold on, Levi. Remember this arm got broken, so step down. Maybe what we should do is, I don't know if you could maybe squeeze it up in it. You can do it? All right, you talk now.
Okay. Do this very Then I will
It's called cornstarch. Yes.
Cornstarch did it loosen it, but they're not helping me.
Okay. I'm just standing here.
Talk, mommy.
Oh, maybe this recipe isn't that great. I wonder, what if you pick it up, your hand going to turn green. Pick it up and see if you can mush it together with your hand. Your hand going to turn green.
No.
You want to touch it? I wonder if we're supposed to put water. Wait, let me see
I
something.
need more.
More what? No, hold on. I think, you know what? I think we can take it out and roll it on the not on my marble counters. Maybe you're right. Maybe we do need more. Look what Mommy did. Actually, I do think we need more. Maybe I didn't multiply properly. So use dish soap as needed. Yeah, all right. All right. Is it coming together now?
Yes. I said I can see a little man there.
You can see a little man in there? Jeez, please.
He's gone.
Oh, he's gone now? Okay. See, it's coming together right there like one big sludge. Oh, this is great. Dish soap as needed. All right. Oh, yep, there it is. That's the slime right there. Maybe we could roll it together. Remi, would you sit? Oh, Remi's tired. Yeah, but I'm going to put... I don't know if she's going to stay. She's going to complain. She's going to complain because she wants to see. Careful with your foot up there. All right, let us... Hold on. No, don't fight me, Remi. Don't fight me. Don't fight me.
About the truth.
About the truth? Oh.
I will do it.
The headband is lean. See, look, it's slimy now. All right, Rem.
What?
See? Yes, now it's slimy. Now it's too slimy.
We need to make it blue though.
We need to make it blue? All right, once we put the slime together, then I'll do some abracadabra.
Abracadabra.
Yeah.
Oh no, blue.
I'm not sure what's happening. I think that's it. Remi. Okay. Yes, I'm not leaving you out. I'm not leaving you out. Ugh. That's the slime. That's it. You want us to put it out on the counter?
Yes, let's see.
Oh.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
This is.
Oh my gosh!
What is that? That is like some serious slime, Levi. Oof.
We need to make it magic.
Magic to blue? All right. Let's see now. I wonder how come it didn't come out blue. Maybe we could make, you know what? Maybe we could make some more later and that one will be blue. What do you think?
No.
No? So I must do this one. Kadabra. Kadabra. Blue. Didn't work. Oh, this is not slimy at all. This is kind of like a weird consistency.
Oh, that's right.
Wow. Wow. Okay. This recipe is not that great. Oh, wait. I need my hands. Yeah. This didn't work out, eh? Oh no. Oh, maybe this is why there is. That is not even sticky. That is sticking. Wow, what do you think of that?
That is so cool, man.
Well, just stay right there and play with it. Something is happening. That's not like the slime you buy in the stores, eh?
Yes.
It is? Oh, perfect. So this recipe is not that great. Yeah. What do you think? Yes? How are you going to get that off? Wow. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh dear. Remi, you have cornstarch on your face. All right, me. You no. Okay.
I need a wet wipe.
That wet wipe can't help you. All right, guys. Well, that was our attempt at making slime at home, and it didn't quite work out because it didn't come out blue for some reason, and it's not really working. And it's Remi's nap time. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
All right, let me. Oh, this wasn't on.